Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Cohen and I'm a search engine optimization expert. What you see on before you is my website, verifiedfile.com, demonstrating some of my SEO services that I provide. Anything from improving your Google, MSN, Yahoo rankings, as well as to penetrating online established communities to promote your website products and services. In other words, I'm the guy you call when you want to send a message on a million forums, blogs, message boards, etc. Or in fact, target relative communities to your websites. But in fact, today that's not what we're going to talk about. Today we're talking about my brand new software called SharePro. And what SharePro is able to do is increase your website rankings on Google, MSN, Yahoo. And not only is it able to increase your rankings, but it's also able to force Google, MSN, and Yahoo to index your website within 1 hour of buying the domain. Pretty exciting. Well, let me demonstrate. You ever notice inside of search engine results where it says who is domain tools and then your domain name? For the purpose of conversation, 45up.com happens to belong to me. You'll notice my IP test, about us, domain crawler, web hosting info, blah, 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 45up.com, 45up.com. And basically what this is domain tools is being forced to index my website, gather information. Now, a lot of the information that it gathers is extracted from domain registrars. It's extracted from the scalable cache of Google, MSN, and Yahoo. And often enough, this information is basically gathered and represents a backlink relationship between your website and these highly page ranked websites. In other words, aboutus.org is a PR8 website offering a lot of authority to the websites that it indexes. And by indexing your website, again, it's extracting from Google, MSN, and Yahoo information about you. And that is what increases the SERPs to your website. So now let me begin by explaining my software. You'll notice in this little section, you have the opportunity to use the add option and type in the name of your selected domain. You should type in your domain and any subdomains that you have. First and foremost being the www.yourdomain.com. However, what I don't suggest is typing in verifiedfile.com and then whatever.html, specifically because that does very little for these types of websites. Now, if you were to use the remove function, it would actually remove everything that you see here. The import function is to basically, if you had a little text file with a multiple number of domains, you could use the import and just import them. Clear would actually clear all of these domains with one click. If you were to click SEO help, it'll actually take you to verifiedfile.com, my website, where you can learn more about the services that I provide. And help actually take you here to what you see before you. And the options basically allows you to submit your websites using a variety of different features. Now, I suggest you use browser. And the reason why I suggest you use browser specifically so you can see what's happening in the background, what's going on. And in a second, I'm actually going to be demonstrating this. So please bear with me. The ping option should also be selected. In other words, not only does it index these websites, but it will also ping these websites to increase the SERPs. So in other words, again, it's very, very important that you force these third-party websites to be recognized by Google MSN and Yahoo. Now the concurrent submissions, I'm going to put in 5. I'm going to make it real simple, but you can put in as many as you'd like. Now if you use the add, import, remove, clear features, they're basically self-explanatory. If you wanted to add additional websites to this list, you could do so by following these simple instructions, whether they're for the URL indexing or for the pinging. You can import a list of them by using this feature, just simple text file. You can remove or clear them. Now I'm going to click submit, and as you'll see, multiple pictures of or browsers have opened. Now it's important that if you do see this information, you can click dismiss all, and basically what will happen is it will continue to work. And let me, in fact, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm indexing third-party websites, and as you can see, the information that's actually being, again, all around the world, these different websites are being indexed from. So you'll have them in different languages. Don't be alarmed. As you can see, verified file appears there. It's just happening very fast, and it's taking up a lot of my resources to do so while this video is also running. But you can see, in fact, verifiedfile.com being run here in the background. You can see verified file here, verified file there. It's basically indexing, forcing the indexing of all of these third-party websites. Now it's enough that you just click dismiss all or continue. And the important thing to remember is that this service basically is forcing the Google MSN and Yahoo to recognize your website. Now I'm going to stop this. I'm going to abort this, and I'm going to show you not only the power of being able to create to get your domain indexed by Google in less than an hour from actually purchasing the domain, but there's an additional additional authority given to this website. In fact, I'm going to go to alexa.com, and you'll notice that since I've actually created this software, take a look at the graph on the traffic rank. And here, in fact, I'll take it back 3 months so that you can see there was nothing there. Okay, so this is the difference between. Now take a look at where all my traffic is actually coming from. Countries all around the world. Now I want to show you my click stream. You've got Google, only 7%. You have a forum, Zimbios. These are all third-party websites. 70% of my traffic actually comes from forums, blogs, and message boards. So basically, these websites have a lot of power to sending you traffic. So I can't emphasize enough how important it is, not only for the purpose of getting your website indexed by Google MSN and Yahoo, but also for the purpose of gaining a backlink relationship with highly regarded or high authority websites, PR7, PR8, PR9, PageRank 8, 7, 8, and 9 websites, but also gaining organic web traffic. So if you're interested in purchasing this as software, then please do go to verifiedfile.com and or to demia.com. And on demia.com, you can go to this little piece of software. It costs $75, and you can promote as many websites as you'd like.